I think for some time now, over the years, crime has come down to 10 in a week.
Armed robbery cases.
Armed robbery cases.
What said the insecurity? Quatwa. Hanomenkwatia. Yasi Obia Quatna, UTV soy, IDP. Yes, Obia Quatna, or Yasi Ghana IDP. Sa insecurity be ankoso. Ye bomb crowd to armed robbers kum mobile vendors.
Yasi we no kasa frama. So the kokroboto kwa yasi de so tro ni ja kwa. Ise am no gasi ye no. IGP onu di kokrobota kwa yasi ama bronye DC e de asutro e ne ja no kwa. Efa nsem a IGP be ka se Ghana for den ka no kre. Na ye kapa dia crime rate e ya awudie aba form under his watch as IGP. Awudie aba form but Ghana for na en ka no kre. Sas ma be ka ye no. Abronye DC aba class rate IGP. Now face efa bokon sensem no. Abronye this other class with His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama say ayo no ana ehenya iboko ento kwanemu I Pinya Block Media mess say need mo ube like video no that ma subscribe to the snap click notification icon latest updates na ba kire wa join the mama e wo comment section mess so baso no ahwe no cross enya bi ahwe e to hwe na nsem a in fact anokwa crime rate e kosro pa awidie nsensem e kosro ene yes akọrobu we ene ni akobuwe echina ni akotitiwe yakoyewe yakayaka de just say broad daylight robbery na ekoso basa ye na atiete se yafa uber driver yakokunu ye de ka na dwane we ayira ene yes yehunu yakuno odanwura mu hanu ye say ewudi ekoso Ghana 2025 yen achinsemu etra man for the subon ebo IGP se tete de ase IGP enyo no ntimi nye I say, oh no, on side IGP, on set, Tarane Fatano, on side IGP. Is there one for bonnet chinga cracker? As I edgeman, they won't mean your months son far from la, edgeman, oh, who owned me your mongofa, a kufumra, mongofa kufu dampare emra, not a teddy, owned me any edgeman. Emma IGP so big can't Ghana for so many Moncano cre. Now mobile cano cre party under meme watch as IGP crime rate has reduced. Would the answer member form. Apart from na Ghana for na mon kanokre apart from mon kanokre no kra yira Ghana can be na wudi aba form na fanse be na IGP ade betu dwa no ana abronye DC wada adwene ho e de akwa adwendwene waso ho daye aso ne nsem so so le bi so ne so de bi ensema IGP tata kan ne de woni se na bibi na ehuru na IGP se na IGP so da na okasa de a wonti ase eji abronye abe clash with IGP da fa bokonta wanto no so no abronye ache na adwene ho no se e mahama ene fa so bo no e mo no
anka ne yi a ensem kase e ba besi na de nofo so hwe the incompetent government yet is wo ya abanya owo opposition otimi party owo opposition otimi kasa se de ye do man mana obeye ne se America ye do man mana obeye o man se United Kingdom ye do man mana o man security obekitam no babi asese e ko na wie yai ese Kumasi China mo awo bisika no wo ho edia bensem na President John Dramani Mahama kachire Ghana for on security and now mobile vendor for year juma omusro and robbers are taking over the weekend see at robbery cases be break course war e wo man Ghana mu ha ni abisa ne say resetting Ghana now or the buy in some or can wo mu no send a manifesto na yira mo wakwape wo ho mon kan kire President John Dramani Mahama say resetting Ghana in some or ka kire Ghana for no onya tumi no se dem panfo ka se atiye ema yire free no se ne yire free ne ho na se resetting Ghana document no ayira nyame ncha de mento ne amantungu no wo bi aye ono ane document omaji nansema okafa bambo ho no ene Ghana ni bia namba bia tuturo adwadifo a esu omo sunu se me koi masana bafie enya adwadifo nko a Ghana ni bia osora okoba bia no wohwe se de insecurity ekoso a hano menkotia yesi obi akotena UTV soy IGP yesi obi akotena ho yesi Ghana IGP sa insecurity bia ankoso ye bon krofo to an robbers kum mobile vendors ye kum krofo wo ye highways adwadifo ankoma ama mampanyini na ankasa akogina techiman se robbery cases ya ekoso ewo bunu isi ne mpatam no ano ohye nti obetu anamo yenya obi yesi afrene tete ye hono a yesi me bisa ye yesi on ye Ghana IGP na fu ordinary fu nanam because okoko ka say insecurity cost there appointing authority ni ba ka say jawo aduma go but appointing authority na ankasa nimsai Inspector General tete yonu a onama ne mpabwa ewrowro wafeli robbery cases ya bano plan amodete police headquarters so ye nimo because crime ni bi o ha mon reporto nti IGP ba kwa kwatena TV so aka say crime reduce because your friend be annual crime statistics first quarter, second quarter and third quarter every year biano the annual crime statistics in a course war every region every district womo compile crime akoswo amanfo ayakumomo with this akoswo kidnapping murder rape cases and then yakika stealing nyina yedini nyina ka bom eno na ye annual crime statistics ewo mangana na wo me kan amobia to say so Ghana Police Service one website the annual crime statistics for 2025 no a fake no country ye hono the first quarter and the second quarter report will not post to crime statistics will not post to our Ghana Police Service or more website no may come at you for what to say you will know and pursue the accurate report because or the year din ye no maka say crime enkoso into obe pursue her say crime will reduce but in actual fact crime enkoso pa Ghana for ye dey ehu na pa incompetent Inspector General of Police Ghana nya eyewe because when ni IGP into the conconsa and the bedi deputy IGP one PP pencil or the conconsa and the bedi IGP nankasa NDC pencil and the police panini bi oye conconsa biano ontimi nya aduma papa and that is a fact. IGP mo de ma Lydia Don Kokorana I can tell you so be aduma papa ken sab ayi we 72-year-old man we a concern no dia rising ababedul na because Ghana Police Service in their records muno OPEC Director of Operations waba Ghana Police Service aji dimboni no mo crime rate course pa ayetete yo no monkwa 2014 2015 2016 semeboa wa wo hwe me bia no but annual crime statistics Ghana Police Service 2014 2015 2016 na hwe nkrofo a yekum mo Ghana me dey ma free go you free you on your own you do your own search about him would just type annual crime statistics 2014 they ever pop up just Google annual crime statistics Ghana Police Service 2015 just Google annual crime statistics 2016 Ghana Police Service ebeyaba na wabisa ho say at the time na sa crime we ni nyina ekoso no who was the Director General of Operations at the Ghana Police Service tete ye ono ne penso and a robbery murder or my so far between 2014 to 2016 no ye Director General of Operations Ghana Police Service here and Krofua wamati omawo through robbery and yema bonne kidnapping langa de niema e course 2014 2015 2016 ni nyina no she was the Director General of Operations Ghana Police Service and the incompetence in tea Anna Muhammad Alasanom Esano a man another portfolio MPP buyer what the conconsa or per GP a chile no nam conconsa sa no didi moa no benya deputy IGP conconsa munyina moti what Dresbauer said anya me na America o aye Dresbauer and nekase MPP pension MPP or the conconsa beji deputy IGP no anumra bia opowa no akwa ma NDC presidential candidate briefing President John Dramani Mahama MPP aman yohono post no na anumra bia no akoma daily security briefing at the man President Mahama ne Kaiser awaye ne senior presidential staffer na odia katua papa bi bosome be say over 100,000 ni ama wa accommodation ni ama obibi aka ho na ni position ye treat ni say or ye cabinet minister no on the post to here say o mo pe police ni a na o mo ginie die na ebra MPP woso na anajo awia anopa no obema President Mahama information ayetete yehonu nti ono na President Mahama jinidi enti asese mo hu se oye konkonsa ni eba na dwuma ho nya police na oye na mo wo Ghana police mo obi oye konkonsa ni paadia yeso obi ye notorious gossiper ayetete yehonu adwuma ndi oni na musa na ode gigiro ba se adwuma pa se yenhia policing na yem policy Ghana for there or out because and na numre Ghana for saje ya amede amamu se wa gugu na hu crime rate 2014 2015 2016 no abisa ho se enti sa nipa we was our records we nyina na Ghana ya na IGP no ye nyina nim se langas honsem ebra MPP taking over on my way no 2017 2016 na Ghana ha langas honsem before MPP baba by mu no minim kura no ne ya bought military men wa Ghana ha wa mo asase o mo koso na langas fo emo wo mo tuo nku wo mo no wo makomo mako says under President John Dramani Mahama na demonstration part 1 minim kura no na yo emre ye adwuma na kukure ye introduce ne e frɛ no land art no at 10:36 and ye no wom say mo a mo hye langas fo no nyina chie no a o mu di san kwase asem no ye tewa wan kokora no enye mfie dunum wa wo so wo ye langas no emransa bow sepe wan kokora no enye ni mfie dunum ene ye de mrabae ene ye sa make sure say langas ni bia o man ne be so ne nsa no ana saa suban no amanfo ne me be ya adwene say MPP wa by mu na anu ada ye firi aban mu no about the issue of langards for woman to trasema na ehunu wo kroma se teacher ni abre nurse ni abre obiti abrotire no de sika na wakwa abrotire akohwe se de Ghana fo ewo so ewa awomu a omo de akora de ya no masem ye memobo ope babia emema kwa ahukirem na omododo ntama Ghana fo mema wo mo wa ma no ne awonti dodo na eko off na sani power fa wo mu ono ne yira na ne busuafo e fa wo mu disika beto asase a na langas fo age police and stop wo kroma police stop na hwe babia nipa no sori ahomache na ne ho wo so chechecheche na okoyi adwuma for 50 euro 50 pounds $80 ya no de wa boaboa no aba beto asase na ya tena kroma ahye nkrofo achi apesika obi adwuma oye okroma ne se owo macho manfo aye from langas nti oduru ho na asase ne da ho a na sa nkrofo na atwa ho asia na wage oje a ohunahuna ho a wansi ho a na waton na wa man langas fo no 20% na ono afa obi adwuma oye okrom ha no and one katira o say ye ni nkrofo okrom ha no munim saade na ekoso ebra yo honofro MPP ye ba power mamu wako mamu hwe Facebook mamu hwe TikTok mamu hwe YouTube 8 years ye betima ka asem no says MPC no says MPC no say no moti akra wodidi wada akope tumi no ama nkrofo owu say ye MPP nana mo tenkran a afede mo pesa mo go back to the constituency enti mo say mo de ye politics enti mo anye ne ye kura enti no mo sere say e mo bia amfa nye politics asembe na mo kai obi amfa nye politics me say me mfa nye politics na mo maybe some questions ni mo kan ye de na ano a ye ho videos ye wa dance ye babo mo obi ati ni president kan ye ni Mahama Yarga kan ye ni obi aka ye babo mo obi ati bi ye babo mo obi ati bi said ye mo petumi a mo si ye so dishonest so desperate to say enipa wu ni se munya tumi na mope ena munya tumi no na nkrofo awuo ana ya MPP mama ya tumi a ye ba e besia no ena tumi no kita mo pa MPP fo achew ena tumi kita ndisi o but mo pa MPP fo achew Mahama Yarga pa achew say wo mo ye sorry and some mo kan ye ni the way o mo ye politics fa ho no they are sorry and the MPP fo kan o manu to mo pa puto kai audio bia she to kromba bia she nsu ase ye bebo e mo bia ate asembia mo kan ya mo de nya voice e wo boko ne mpatam e hyensu ase a ye bebo e mo bi ate sanse tekrema mpro enti mo bi ti se kwoti krawa like Mahama Yarga nko gina ba bia nko pa obi acho say you are so go to Boko and say that Yes, Mahama Yarga say, you cannot sit in Accra and render an apology. You cannot render that apology in Accra. Go to your constituency and render that apology. Mufize Diagro. O ti Accra. Obi amfa ho. Accra had a parliamentary business in the Dubai. Campaign platform bia ni wa o manto no wam kran ha. Ekeka sansem hunu na o kan yese. Enye kusase ni mamnam we should blame the new patriotic party. So mo na dia tuo asekan ajan ene mo na moteso. MPP atuo no, MPP ajan no, MPP asekan no e wo fa. Mo na moteso. You are in charge of the security. You are controlling everything. And then what's 1 year until voice more biamo. You are not an MP in Accra. You don't have a constituency in Accra. Mahama Yarga and the other 5 MPs, they should go to Boko and apologize to their constituents. Go there and apologize to them. You have no business here. After parliamentary business, you know, only business here. Go there and die with them. Don't stay in Accra. Stop protecting your family in Accra. Take your family back to Boko. Because it was a propaganda against the MPP to get the vote, and we are sorry. Sorry for what? Sorry, some more voice, you know. More President Mahama voice, and no be president, and Nora Asemo Okan. More the first voice. Na more and Nora Asemo Okan. Efa producer Munya.
Unfortunately, any time the peace of Ghana will be disturbed, it is the MPP government that is in power. Recently, I've been hearing some things happening in Boko that appear to be threatening to disturb the peace there. I just appeal to the people of Boko area and all those who are stakeholders in what is happening there to exercise patience, exercise restraint. We know that there are some sinister hands who are trying to stoke the fires of ethnic conflict. They should not allow themselves to be provoked to violence. And so please, the people of Boko area, I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you, remain calm, be restrained, don't resort to conflict. NDC is coming. When we come, we will make sure there is peace in Boko and surrounding areas.
Soldier for immigrating for fire for mu work mu make sure say as fire for the so matter wuram amon there yes so matter wuram makra as police for Accra and now we do Boko abontin so police wo hwan police ajawad police for dan ma police ni ntimi nche police atade wo ma wuro mo ntade ago who say man no dey. And now we do Bakua, it's a fact. No more boss for crack or you were done. Maybe boss were back. Ya boy police station. Actually, police station. I could police panini. I bought my preprum ya kunu. I give you to man carry our boko. And the police ni at the Natadia. I said them by force. Wakopam Jaramia and the channel. Because you won't say police atadia chawa. Ada say obeto anananum ana ye babu pa enti police fu a omo wo boku nyina se de Jaramia na omo hye na soldiers so omo wo hanom se no ade ama soldiers na ye mre na omo ntimi mpata ntokwa ye kom na eku a soldierfo na omo President Mahama se wo pese entokwa we me ma somo ayi Sao pese Boko ntokwa soldiers timi bua padia manfidi omo manfidi soldiers no amo manye okay wo man nidi 4 times a day ntokwa bia no betima asi anu kwan wo Boko because soldier ni bia ni hwa and na soldier for no moti semframa wo ma ye mre opia ebiso wo kura na because omu ni ba biti krase o na nipa wa nwara wa ho den we nane 2 days ya me yare yese ye honam kankane mbenya asem de na abayende oti ase asojafo omo wo bokui ensuo kura mo nya bi nware wo mo nya ba bi na onya ba bi no warese because obi ko ekoboma no pa esese obi ko yi obi ono a wako gina mo no pa no nsia ekosi anwumre no nsia no ni e ba be yi na ono woko no okọ onya ba bi na otwere dua ho se ya aduane to onya bi ni is a fact. Me say enai even soldiers ya wamo gade so many places e come na eku am e come e na eku am adi brother
Ubet match le wadwene amame e wo comment section ai Penya Block Media Accra.